Hey guys, welcome to YouTube series of data science and machine learning. So we were doing Python and we today we are going to do debugging. Okay, so debugging is what a debugger do is actually it debugs the code. It actually removes any errors or checks where the error is and all this stuff. Okay, so we are doing we are defining a function sequence for I in range n print I. So what it will does, in we are giving this function sequence, and we are giving it a parameter which is what it is asking, and we are giving it 5. So what this function will do is print all the values from 0 to 5, 0 to index 5. So it will print to 0 to 4. Okay, so as you can see the output here, and this was the simple part, simple code or simple function. Now we'll do debugging of this function. Okay, we'll debug this function. Okay, so what we are going to use is PDB. PDB is a module, you can import it, and we are defining a function for I in range n, which we give it, and we use PDB dot set trace. It is the breakpoint. Okay, for every time you debug, this will be a place where it will stop and let us check it. Okay, and then we are printing it and then similarly giving it sequence 5. Okay, so let's try it. So these are the thing I've tried. Okay, so let's run it. So what it's giving us is PDB, and uh, it actually runs a code once. It actually ran a code once, and before getting to another for loop, before getting to run another loop for again, it means I mean when it runs for loop second time, before that we get here, we get here, and what we can do here is we just write p dot locals, and what it will tell us is where we are at and what is the value of I and n. So n is 5 and I is still 0. I, you remember, for I in range, so I is still 0 and for is n. Sorry, n is 5. Sorry, what did I say? Okay, so now what we'll do is it told us that here we are and there are no error till here, and we are running it properly, no problem. Now we'll write continue. Sorry, we just write C. So it just printed 0, you can see here, and now again a breakpoint has occurred. So now what we'll do is again we can write p locals. Now it tells us I is equals to 1, then n is equals to 5. So no error, no errors till now. Similarly, we can uh, try for every loop that n does. Okay, you can do another thing. You can write I guess. Sorry, help. When you write help, you can see everything that you can do here with these documents. Okay, you can see everything which you can do or try with this PDB module. Okay, so these are the things, and what other things you can do is it actually always you can use it to debug only for loop. Okay, so we can write continue, and again p locals. So till now also no error, but I value has changed because of for loop only, and n is 5 as we have specified here. Okay, so you can check here by PDB, you can check your whole code running line by line. Okay, you can print you can pay sorry, you can place set trace anywhere you like, and you can run it or see it while running. Okay, so these are all debugger commands you can use. There are many, and you can use it by seeing help, by writing help also, and you can try it by yourself. These are pretty good stuff. A debugging job is also a good job, and it's a very important job. So uh, if you have any doubts in this, please do comment in comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply. And thank you. Let's Okay, so thank you.